The current nationwide lockdown with certain relaxations is supposed to continue till 30th June. However, the country has been consistently recording a considerable surge in coronavirus cases each day, becoming the fourth worst hit country in the world. India now ranks fourth in the list of countries having highest coronavirus cases in the world. Let's look at the global numbers of COVID-19. The SARS-CoV-2 virus has so far infected 79,08,492 people globally. The death toll across the world stands at 4,33,027. The number of recovered patients in the world rose to 40,65,098 with almost 52% of the global recovery rate. In India, the total number of positive COVID-19 cases have gone up to 3,20,922, out of which 1,62,378 have been either cured or discharged. The death toll in India due to COVID-19 stands at 9,195. Of the 9,195 deaths, Maharashtra accounts for maximum with 3,830 deaths, followed by Gujarat 1,448, Delhi 1,271, Madhya Pradesh 447, Uttar Pradesh 385 and Rajasthan 282. In the last 24 hours in India, around 11,929 new cases of COVID-19 were reported, whereas 311 coronavirus-linked deaths were reported. Let's move on towards the important news of the day. On Sunday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan, Delhi LG Anil Baijal and CM Arvind Kejriwal chaired a meeting to review the situation of Delhi in terms of coronavirus. Amit Shah announced a series of decisions taken at the meeting, including doubling of testing immediately in the next 2 days and tripling it in the next 6 days. Shah also said the centre will provide 500 railway coaches to Delhi in view of the storage of beds for COVID-19 patients in the state. The coaches will add 8,000 beds to the existing strength of beds in Delhi and will have all the facilities and equipment to treat the coronavirus patients. In a series of decisions taken by the centre, a key focus area will be the containment zones where testing will be made available in polling booths in the next week. House-to-house surveys will also be conducted in these high-risk areas to improve contact tracing and the report will be submitted in a week. Centre also made it compulsory to download Arogya Setu app in phones of all the residents in these containment zones to improve contact tracing. Apart from that, Centre has also said that 60% of all beds in private hospitals will be made available at reduced rates. A committee headed by Dr. V.K. Paul will look at the issue of treatment rates and price of testing in private hospitals and will submit its report by Monday. The decisions are taken in the meeting addressing some of the key complaints that have been raised against the Kejriwal government handling of the health crisis. There have been several complaints of non-availability of beds in hospitals for patients and difficulty in getting the tests done in laboratories. The contact tracing in Delhi has also lagged behind other states.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.